Okay, hi, this is Ovi again, and this is the quick video and also the detailed video about how to export an editable EPS file from InDesign properly. If you actually go to search on Google, then you can see they actually told us that just go to the file and export and choose the EPS format and ensure included vector data checkbox selected. So if this actually very easy or very important to export that we can actually edit on Adobe Illustrator. Let's check it. Okay. So if we go to the this yeah, this is the Windows I'm using, and here actually the Adobe InDesign file and some social media design that I completed in Adobe InDesign, but buyer wanted EPS file. So for them, I just need to conversation Adobe InDesign file to EPS file. So go to the export and just choose the folder, and here actually the EPS, and just save it, and there have a range. I just try to want first pages as my experiment, and here actually they told that means Google told that just select the EPS formatted. Okay, so then go to the I just keep them as it, so export it. Let's see what happened on there. It's taking some time for exporting an EPS file. Okay, it's done. Though it's take some time for my Windows PC. Actually, no, I don't know. So open this on Adobe Illustrator. Let's see if it properly export the file. Yeah, you can see there actually the artboard are changing. Okay, no problem. We can change the artboard here, and this is 1080 pixel, I think. Yeah, the first one. Okay, but what actually the problem are happening on there? If we see and check carefully, this one comes from right edge, but here actually we don't we have don't, and also the logo missing on there. This is very unlucky for me. And also the main problem is this text actually broken block by block. That's the very bad things. And yeah, this also actually formatted broken. So no, we don't go this way because we need to editable something like this. Okay, so what we can do, so the best way is to just delete this and go to the InDesign file and just mark the whole document. Yeah, that's it, and go to the copy and paste. It's taking some time after pasting it there, so you just need to set it here. Go to the creative, yeah, this I think fine. And let's say if we change the font, yeah, we can change, and this will be bold. Let's make it bold, and also the image are no broken, so this fine, I think. So this also is editable, that's fine, I think. So this is the quick way to format, and now we can deep down this what happen if we export on Adobe InDesign to ITML file and go to the check Affinity Publisher exported EPS file. Okay, so if you don't want to go more, then you can skip this. But if you want to see actually what happened on Adobe InDesign to Affinity Publisher and Affinity Publisher to EPS file, okay, let's check it. Okay, we can go and export the ITML file and yeah, save it here. So we can go to the, I think it's exported here. Yeah, and let's open it. Affinity Publisher is loading. Okay, great. I can change font or something like this, but there you can see this image come, but there are no effect that we actually added on there. Okay, no problem. We just double click and transparency. Okay, like this. I can go here. Okay, and there you can see these text are not aligned properly, so you can set it properly, no problem. And other stuff are very fine to us, no problem. So you can check the first one, that is the instant compile. So just export this as a, okay, export is EPS file and says the current page, yeah, current page. It's just everything, okay, very fine. And select the DPI 300, okay. Maybe we need to background, white background, but we just keep it same as it to check just how it actually work on there. So export is, and this will be IG, okay, A, AP, okay. Okay, it's exporting. Yeah, here it will go. Okay, it's go to this folder, so I just need to cut and paste it here. Okay, just open the EPS file. If we see the layer, actually this comes just only a image, so this is not very file, the easy file to edit, because this is just only an image, so we just don't go this way. So you can see actually this conversation also not work properly. So we need to follow, just copy the whole things and paste on the Adobe Illustrator. So we just need to focus on the rest of the design for this uh, social media. So we can, this is Facebook. So we can, this is the Instagram. So we just make sure that this layer name Instagram, and just set another layer and set the Facebook 12,000, sorry, 1200. So go to the artboard and set it here, and 1200 and 63, 63, 63. Okay, and this artboard name will be Facebook, and we need to copy them, all of the element, and just paste here. It's taking some time, so wait for the file and go to the right top, and we need to change the font regular to bold. I just Control Shift B. That's mean it will be bold, and that's the fine. I think. Okay, and we need to go for edit and do the rest of the design. This is the video. Actually, I just try to made and explain what happened on Adobe InDesign to EPS file, and how what happened on Adobe InDesign to Affinity Publisher, and then Affinity Publisher to EPS file. So uh, this is the way we need to conversation all of the file, because some of us or designer actually need this file to EPS file or Photoshop file or Canva file or Adobe Acrobat file, something like this, because there are a lot of variation and lots of people actually have some limitation of use tool, because some of have the Canva account or some of have actually the only Adobe Illustrator or Affinity Publisher like this. So we need to cover all of this type of people so that they can easily edit this file. That's it. So hopefully this video will help you for your designing experience. And if this give you a help, please subscribe my channel and wait for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Tata.